Hey guys, this is Derek, Zoe, and Damon with D&D Wild Outdoors.
Hi.
We're bringing you an awesome clip today. We're pretty friggin' excited about it. Actually, we're super pumped. We are going to do some target practicing. This is the second time Zoe shot her 243 rifle, and we're going to be shooting at some explosive targets. This is Tannerite. We've never shot this before. We wanted to show you how you mix it, and use it safely. So we've already mixed up 3 of them. You can see that the catalyst has been mixed in. It generally comes in these white balls. It comes in these small canisters and these white balls. Directions call to pour this out. Pour the contents of this canister, being the white balls, into the mixing tube. Pour your catalyst in, mix it well, and that is the explosive. So we're going to do that now and show you how we mix it and how it looks. Anybody come right over here, okay, so they can see what we're doing. Good job. Okay, so this particular packet that we purchased was 4 half-pound canisters that would make 4 half-pound explosives. Well, what we found is that once we've mixed this and taken them out of the canister, there's actually more than we can get back into the half-pound canister. So what we've done, this is the excess from each canister, and you can see that they're full right to the top. We have that much access left over, so after we've loaded our last can, we're going to put all the remainder back into this mixing can for a 5th explosive, and hopefully it works out as we're hoping so. So there you see in the directions it claims and calls for that the white pebbles be completely gray, and as you can see they are. So now we're going to take this canister, dump what will fit into this original packaged canister, load it right to the top, cap that. Now that is one complete explosive, and like I said, we had so much left over that we're going to utilize this also. So let's try to get this in here without making too big of a mess. Oh, I didn't see that tear. Work that a little bit down. Oh, woo! Yeah, that's not too bad. And look at that. It almost filled the 5th canister.
Shake it up a little bit because it was extra.
Sure, we'll shake it one more time. And our explosive targets are ready. We're going to set up some stuff downrange, and we'll get back to you when the action starts. Hey guys, we sure appreciate you being with us today. We had a ton of fun shooting off those explosive targets. When I say explosive targets, I want you guys to remember that even though there's kids and guns involved, we used extreme caution today, especially on the range, especially using these explosive targets. Please always use caution. Our kids' lives matter and our lives matter. Stay true to the wild outdoors, and as always, be safe. We'll see you next time.